Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore KPI dashboards using Tableau. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening Tableau on your computer. Navigate to the File menu located in the top left corner of the screen. Select Open from the drop-down menu. Locate the folder where your KPI dashboard is saved. Click to open the desired Tableau workbook. If you've made recent changes, save any unsaved work. Once the workbook is loaded, review the sheets and dashboards displayed. Check the data connections in the data pane on the left side. If there are any broken connections, right-click and select Edit Connection. Update the data source by pointing it to the correct file or data. Next, go through each worksheet to confirm the visualizations are displaying correctly. Inspect the filters applied to ensure they match your KPI metrics. Adjust any measures or dimensions as needed. If any visualizations appear blank, investigate the underlying data. You may need to refresh the data by clicking on the Data menu and selecting Refresh All Extracts. Once the data is updated, validate. Double-check the calculated fields in the Analysis menu. Ensure that all parameters are correctly set up and functioning. Navigate to the Dashboard tab to assess the overall layout. Reorganize or resize components if necessary for better clarity. Add any missing visualizations that are vital for the KPI analysis. Make sure all titles and captions are appropriately labeled for clarity. Review the color schemes and fonts used to maintain consistency. Utilize the presentation mode to preview how the dashboard will look to end users. If satisfied with the layout, save your progress. Finally, export or publish your dashboard according to your requirements. You have successfully restored your KPI dashboard using Tableau. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.